Okay, so what did we learn in this topic? We saw TD learning. We had a discussion, right? That we said that TD learning results in slow propagation of future rewards across the state space. This is especially problematic in sparse reward settings, when we saw the reward signal only after a long trajectory. And then, in order to propagate values from some faraway reward all the way to the beginning, it will take us a very long time with one-step TD learning. Monte Carlo algorithm, on the other hand, suffers from high variance in observed returns. Right? They might be very effective in propagating values throughout the full trajectory, but they're highly sensitive to the values are sensitive to the trajectory that we sample. This is especially problematic in stochastic environments and in long episodes. The long episodes actually, so Monte Carlo helps us maybe helps us with propagating the values faster, but in long episodes tend to have very noisy sample trajectories, specifically if you have noise in the environment, stochastic environment. So TD learning with n-step returns gaps these two extremes. The best n is domain specific, and it's usually chosen empirically. And as we saw, we have to be careful, like Monte Carlo approaches. It is off policy. It is on policy. So this is a typo. It is on policy, right? As long as we have more than one step TD learning, it is on policy. But we can use important sampling when needed in order to make it off policy. What next? So our next lecture would be model-based reinforcement learning, as opposed to model-free reinforcement learning that we've seen so far. In model-based reinforcement learning, we'll also try to learn or use the samples that we have in any case in order to try and estimate the transition model of the reward function, and maybe use that information in order to speed up our training, our learning. Quizzes, so on Canvas you now have access to the n-step bootstrapping quiz. And for the project, you should start writing your project proposal document, the first document that you need to submit. Thank you.